Let's try it out. And then dip it into the other dessert, ice cream and cookie. So almost no calories in it. If you come to Chili's, there's a pro tip for you all. You can go for this unlimited. Guys, just this 15 or 20 ml dip has around 100 calories. Dip it in sauce. Full. So guys, today we've come for the pre-Navratri feast. We'll be having all kinds of meat, and because upcoming 9 days there will be no non-veg allowed at home. So I'll be showing you all, taking you through along with me what we are going to order. Let's talk about drinks first. Here I am having a 0-calorie soda, more on that later. There's also a molten chocolate chunk shake on the table as well as a beer. I'll be sticking to my soda to save up on the calories. The first starter that we have ordered is a signature dish at Chili's. It's called a triple dipper, where you're allowed to pick 3 chicken appetizers of your choice along with the 3 dips. Both the dips, honey mustard and ranch, are highly calorie dense. The first starter is boneless chicken wings. The second is the country fried chicken crispers, and the third one is chicken wings. I ordered this salted fresh lime. I'll be adding this 0-calorie sweetener to it. So I'll be saving around 60 calories just by adding this. 60 to 100 calories. This pre-Navratri feast will go live once the Navratras are over, because posting it within the Navratri will be a big injustice to all meat lovers out there. The country fried chicken crisper might look similar to what is being sold at KFC, but trust me, this one tastes way better and the chicken is more tender. Carrots for extra fiber. Of course, you'll be getting protein and fat from this, but you need some fiber as well. The chicken wings that I am consuming right now, that is with the bone, weren't up to the mark. The ones that follow the boneless ones were still good. Boneless chicken wings. Chicken wing is generally a higher fat cut of meat, so try to avoid it. Always go for chicken breast. Otherwise, you can also go for chicken thigh. Here we have the best nachos in Delhi, at least in my opinion. They had this new nachos with the chipotle sauce, so we went ahead with that. Here we have the country fried chicken crisper, which I know most of you would have tried at some place or the other, but trust me, this one stands apart. One of the best nachos that you'll find in Delhi. An entire piece. Dip it in sauce. Full. Guys, just this 15 or 20 ml dip has around 100 calories. So be cautious with these. They add up very quickly. And this sour cream as well. If you want to go for dip, go for low calorie dips such as Tabasco and all. Pretty sure that just one sip of this dense chocolate shake won't hurt. And nacho. Done with the nachos and the triple dipper. Still one starter is yet to come. I'll show you what it is. Texas cheese poppers, that are cheese balls which are deep fried. Just see how much oil is there on my fingers. Cheese is already high in saturated fats, and then deep frying it is exactly what you don't want. If this oily side appears gross to you, just don't forget this is exactly what you are feeding to your body. So I've ordered this one more fresh lime. This contains only lemon and salt, and of course soda, so there's almost no calories in it. If you come to Chili's, there's a pro tip for you all. You can go for this unlimited. You can also go for unlimited Coke, Fanta and all that stuff. But of course then the calories are notched up and it's pure sugar. So of course if you're watching your calories, this is a great way, as it's almost 0 calories, and of course I'll be adding this sugar free to it. So guys, this is ancho salmon along with mashed potatoes and seasonal veggies, and of course this is one of the best mashed potatoes that you'll come across in Delhi at least. and salmon, one of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids, very good fats, and of course high in protein. Excellent food item for your heart and brain health. Must add once a week if you're a non-vegetarian. It's quite expensive, but it's worth the price. So guys, this is a steak in red wine sauce. Well done. A friend wanted both sides as potatoes, unlike mine which contains seasonal veggies and mashed potatoes. As is a huge fan of potatoes, so he's going with mashed potatoes as well as potato wedges. But I'll suggest you to go with one carb source only and other as a fiber source such as this vegetables. Here's the vegetarian dish as well, paneer fajitas. It comes with white flour tortillas and an array of spreads. So you have to make your own type of roll using this paneer fajita and this spreads. Ancho salmon. That's right. If you look closely at the plate, you can see that there's a well balance of carbs, proteins, fats and fiber. If you critique specifically, then of course the fat content is pretty high because of the healthy fats coming from the fatty fish as well as the butter and cream loaded in mashed potatoes. Just see how judiciously I am using this sauce over here. This is because the ranch dressing is highly calorie dense, 100 to 150 calories at least for this small serving. So just be careful when you go out and you're consuming sauces mindlessly. Full of cream and butter, but worth the calories. Mashed potatoes. The calories for food items that we have listed in this video have been sourced from the official Chili's website. I'll link it down in the description for your reference. For some food items that I couldn't find in the official nutrition chart, such as paneer fajitas, I have left them as it is. Rest assured, everything on the table was loaded with calories. Why we don't generally consume salmon in India is because it's very expensive, around 3000 rupees for just 1 kg. But then good health is an asset which money can't buy. You can also go for walnuts, flax seeds if you're a vegetarian. They're a bit cheaper and are easily available. बताओ ना कितना डिस्काउंट, कोई डिस्काउंट नहीं हो पाएगा? अरे यार पहले तो मिलता था और लास्ट ऑर्डर हो अगर 12:30 बजे तब भी नहीं देते. So guys, it's past 12 and this is the third refill of fresh lime. Again salted, no sugar. So saving on the liquid calories at least. And after this, of course, dessert is still to go. So we have reached the end of the main course and desserts are still to come, as you can see. Honey mustard with salmon tastes great. Desserts are still to go. My portion is done. Of course, my friends couldn't finish their part. 12:37 and the entire restaurant is now empty. We are the last ones left here. This is a chocolate chip skillet cookie topped with ice cream. So it's easily around 700 to 800 calories. And good thing is that Chili's also mentions their nutrition profile on their website. Unlike other brands in India, they don't mention their nutrition profile. So you can get an exact estimate around how many calories there is. So let's try it out. Quite good. Already consumed 2000 calories tonight. Easy. Can be 2500 also. And on top of that, these two. As I told you, this is 700 to 800 calories. This is chocolate truffle cheesecake. This is 1200 calories easily. It's topped with chocolate syrup. Then it contains the mousse and then Oreo chunks, then the cake, and then the layers are repeated. It's quite amazing and definitely give it a try if you're coming here. These two, this is a must try in my opinion. Let's try it out. As you can see. First, take a bite of this and then dip it into the other dessert, ice cream and cookie. So guys, even if you're almost full with your meal, you can still have the desserts. This goes to show that how easily our body is able to digest the sugar and the simple carbs even when our stomach is full. just goes to show why people are overweight, not because they eat regular food, but because they are having highly palatable food, which makes them continuously eat more and more and more, and they cannot stop. See the multiple layers of this chocolate mousse, cake, and Oreo. So tempting. The skillet cookie is almost done. This bill amount is for 3 people. Of course, it's on the higher side, but when you consider the amount of food that we ordered, I think it's okay. So it's almost 1. We reached the end of the video. If you liked the video, if you learned something valuable, do not forget to give it a like. Drop down your comments. Share this video with a foodie lover. And make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.